So much. Well, you felt it, the extreme cold across much of the DMV. And when you factor in the wind, a bad situation is only made worse. The conditions have already led to power outages and downed trees, raising some serious safety concerns. Sarah Robertson spoke with people feeling the impact and has everything you need to know in order to stay safe.
Well, this is just the second time in recorded history that we've seen an extreme cold warning like this one for the DC area. But it's not just the frigid temperatures. A big threat is also the wind, gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour in some locations, causing downed trees and power outages.
It's like a poof, and then orange light lit up.
Northern Virginia residents woke up in the dark this morning after strong winds brought down trees and power lines.
There were like 3 explosions that lit up our room, and then the power went out after that.
Russell Adams lives in the Lake Barcroft area. He was one of about 900 people who lost power once already today, stocking up on firewood, preparing for more possible outages.
It got cold probably within like 30, 45 minutes. It was pretty chilly.
And I looked in the backyard over here and it was total devastation.
In Annandale, Frank Van Balen surveyed the damage after a massive oak tree crashed into a neighbor's home.
Everybody's safe, which is the good news. It shakes the ground like an earthquake, and those big oak trees fall.
Dominion Energy says this type of weather puts extra strain on the system, and crews are working around the clock despite the dangerous conditions.
We are starting to see some activity as the winds are continuing to pick up. We are forecasting, outages to spread across all 3 regions that we serve, with the potential for slightly heavier impacts in the Northern Virginia area.
The company urges people to prepare, charge phones, have flashlights and batteries ready, and stock up on water and non-perishable food. And while many were battling the cold from indoors, these Buddhist monks faced it head-on. Undeterred by sub-zero wind chills, they continued their walk for peace, the final leg of a 2,300-mile journey from Texas to D.C., passing through Triangle and Dumfries today.
So I can just imagine how they're feeling right now. So for them to withstand this type of temperature and continue on with their journey, like I said, it's very, very inspiring.
Now, another important safety reminder: if you see a downed power line, always assume it is live. Stay at least 30 feet away, and of course, call your energy company immediately. Reporting in DC, I'm Sarah Robinson, WUSA 9.